Hello, beautiful people. Good morning. Happy New Week. It's a week which is at the end of the month, and this week is very critical when it comes to financial. So it's time that we find a way to make money today using this betting. Yes, we were not available the past yesterday. Yeah, but we are here. Let's make money together. Please remember to subscribe, to like and share, and also remember to join our WhatsApp group. Let's create this community, a strong one, a family group. So yeah, you can inbox me, WhatsApp me with saying that you want to join the WhatsApp. This is a phone number that you can join. You can WhatsApp 06777298841. Today we're going to see how to win 3 to 4 numbers. Let's make money together. Is the target of this group. Yes, the strategy, the first one that I discovered, you will use your numbers in numerical order. You will take the numbers which are sitting here on the second seat. On the numbers which are sitting on the second seat, we're gonna use, for example, this one. Let's use a 9. When you take a 9, you add 12, it's gonna give you 21, right? You will add, and it's gonna be 21, which played there as 12, right? That is it. And then after that, you take this number, add 4. Then you're gonna get 21 plus 4 is 25. 25 is sitting there, right? So that then you can add 10, which gonna be 35. Then you do minus 1, which is 34, right? Plus 10 again, it's gonna be 44. So we had 21, 25, 34, 44, and 35. So this is 34 came as 43, right? So plus 12 plus 4 plus 10 minus 1 and add 10. Okay. Now, let's move. You take this number which are sitting here, you add 12, it's going to be 23. Plus 4 is 27, right? So they didn't play our number. 27 is also 29, remember? They didn't play our numbers 27, they played that one and they played this one, right? So after that, when you add 10, remember you're gonna remove 1, right? You're gonna remove 1, then it's gonna be 36. The 6 you add 10 is 46. So that is how 46 came there, right? So still we can use it to add 12, which is 25. Already 25 played, and then you can still play it though. Then you add it, if you add 4 is 29, 29, you add 10 is 39, minus 1 is 38, plus 10 is 48, right? So we have 39, 38, 48, 29, 25. These are the numbers we're going to play in 2 numbers. All right. Okay. All right. Now, look at this one. We did it in numerical order. Let's check how it went in draw order. Remember, we are using it in numerical and in draw order. So this one gave us a lot of number because it was sitting in numerical order and in draw order. Let's check what happened in draw order, because sometimes they're gonna use the draw order. You add 12 is 18, plus 4 is 22. 22 was already sitting here. 22 plus 10 is 32. 32 minus 1 is 31. 31 plus 10 is 41. So we had 18, 31, and 22. So the number of red is 8. This one, we remove it, we remain with 18, 41, and 31. So that's how 31 came. 31 is sitting there, even the spin 13 is sitting there. Let's go. Add 12 is 32. Then add 4 is 36. Add 10 is 46, right? Minus 1 is 45. plus 1, we can do plus 10 because if you do plus, it's gonna be 55. We do minus 10 again, which is 35. So we're going with we have a 46 is sitting there. I did notice that they are not repeating the numbers coming from this strategy. They are not. Now we have a 35, 45, 36, and a 32. Even 32 is just a nearby. You can focus on these three numbers, which is 35, 45, and 36. I'm going to write the numbers there: 35, 45, and 36. So remember that this 36 is a missing number, and also this 36 can still play also as 39. Right, it's a spinnable number. Now, the next thing you do after calculating it this way, you will go and use the same strategy again. Right, the same strategy. What I did is I noticed you take this number which are sitting. No, I think I mean the same number. You take. Sorry, we are done with the first one. I hope you're not gonna get confused. Now we take that number which is sitting on the second seat. We add 8. What did I say? 8. 8 plus this one is 17. 17 was sitting there. Since 17 is sitting there, you only do this. You multiply it by 2, or you do minus 1 or plus 1. That's why if you multiply by 2, there is a 34 which came as 43. If you do minus 1, is 16 which came as 19. Right? If you add 1, it's still 18. Now look at here. After using this 17, you adding 17 together. You take that 17, you take 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. All right, 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. Then you take that 8, you do plus 1, it's go to 9. Then you take the answer you get, you multiply it by 2, it's go to 18. So we had the 9, we had that 17 which gave us 43, even 19, even so 9, 18 as well. So 9 came as a 6. So 9 was spinning into 6. Only 8 didn't come. 8 didn't show up, but 9 came as a 6. And 17 came as a 43. Remember, 17 also is 19. Every family of 7, it's a family of 9 in the same range. Wait. All right. So 17 came, you can play either 19. 17 came, you can either play 34, 43. 17 is a special number when it comes to multiplication. 17 is a very special number. 17 is 34 and 43. 17 is 19. But you will always notice if they will play 19. So we had to play 19 because here we have a 29. 29 equals 19, and also between 9 and 29 here in the middle we have the 19, which was very like understandable to choose 19 over 43. All right, even though both numbers came. All right, so now in the draw order we have you add the 8. When you add the 8 in draw order, we having 14. All right, then you take 4 plus 1 is 5. 5, what you go? 5 and okay. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 is sitting there. Okay, go. 11 is sitting. So 11 came, right? 11 came. Alright. Now 11, you remember that we said you add 10 is gonna be 21. 21 when you do minus 1 is 20, plus 10 is 30. So we have a 20, we have also 30. Now 20 came on tea time, right? All right, so this one you add 8 is 28. So we are playing 28. Remember, it's in the draw order, which you can use also in the numerical. Or 28 again is 2 plus 8, which is 10, right? That is also work. When you finish to do this, you do you add the 1, and then when you finish you multiply by 2. So when you add the 1, it's 11, multiplied by 2 is 22. So we have 11, we have a 22, 28, right? And we have a 10 coming from there, right? So 11 is sitting there. We can focus on 22 and 28 and 10. Yes. All right. So when you use this strategy in numerical order, let's see what happened. What happened yesterday? This number you add 8. Remember we said we're going to add 8. 8 plus 11 is 19, which is good. Then 19 is 1 plus 9. Remember we did this. It's going to be 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 is sitting there. Then 11 after adding 1, you don't multiply by 2, which is 22. So remember this 22 it was prayed there, so 22 they multiplied again with this one, which is 44, right? Remember the spin of 22 is also 2 and 20. Since 2 was sitting there and 22, we were missing the number 20, right? Let's go. Now look at 19. We have a 29 and we have a 9, right? 9 played here, so we are expecting a 39 to drop. Thank you. I hope you understand. 39 must drop. All right. Remember in our strategy we have a 36 as well. Among the 36, 45 and 36, if we spin it 36 to 39, we can pair with 35 or 45. Right. 36, 39, 45 or 35. Now, look at this one. You see that this number came as adding in 8. We take 13 plus 8 is 21. 2 plus 1 is 3, right? 3, remember you add 1 first. As we said, 19. 19 is 1 plus 9, which is 10. 10 plus 1, right? So now we have a 3 plus 1, which is 4. 4, then 4 times 2 is 8. So we have a 4, 8, 3, 21. 4, 8, 3, 21. 4, 8, 3, 21. Remember 21 and 12 they have been playing. So still you can call this 21 because 12 play twice. Now 21, if you go with 3, I can choose 3, 8, right? I can choose 3, 8 and 21. Those are the number I can see here, right? But also remember this one is called 4, but since it's 44, I can delay on 8 to show that is 4 plus 4, because every time you get 8, they can even play 44 instead of playing 8. That's why I'm choosing 8. Right. Today we are on 20. Today we are on 20. Right. Yeah, today date I think is 20. Yeah, let me check. Yeah, it's 20. This 20 can play because 20 played. They are playing the next date. They can play 21, which is tomorrow's date. Right. Then it can turn 7. It's 14. Yeah, 21 and 21, 13 and 14 can come today. 21, 13, 14. 21, 13, 14. Yeah, you can see that. Now, there is a strategy where I add 10 only. Okay, the first number on lunch add 10. This number must play only on lunch. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 is sitting there as 2. Simple as that. Then 20 times 2 is 40. 40 is sitting there. So you add 10 and then you multiply by 2. Simple as that. I remember did when it is 40 as well as a banker. So 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 is sitting there. You play the nearby number of 12, which is 11 and 13. 11 and 13 is sitting there. But 12 times 2 is 24. 24 is sitting there. Very simple and easy. Yes, my baby, I'm coming. So, yeah. 19 plus 10 is 29. 29 times 2 is 50. 50, I'm coming. 58. Since we get a number in the 50s, we're gonna play 48. So these are the two numbers, 29 and the 48. It's not a problem if 29 can repeat.
Stop, mommy.
I'm coming. So yeah, thank you so much. Don't forget to take a bonus minus bonus, which is 38. Play 38 as well. So we have a 29, 48, and 38. And 39, we have also 13. We have a 21, 3, 8, 4, 35, 45, and 36. And the other numbers. Thank you. Bye-bye. I do appreciate.